So tonight we installed the Greddy or Trust coilovers for the AZ1. These guys have been discontinued for ages, but they actually remade it for my car, for SEMA. Cool thing about this coilover is it's body adjustable, right? So you can still preload this and you won't lose your preload because you can just adjust the body, and then you can also drop the springs here, put a helper spring so it doesn't, fall. But it's also camber adjustable, so as you can see up top right here. Let me show you guys. I can't show you the body kit yet because it's secret, but see that? Isn't that dope? So you could adjust the camber. You could go in or you can go out depending on how much camber you want. And it's pretty empty here right now. I can show you from the top. Oh, it's not the Liberty Walk body kit like everyone thinks it's gonna be, but here's the rear. And we're also doing sway bars, so yeah. Pretty hard to find parts for these cars. Luckily, I know the guys at Trust or Greddy Japan, and they remade these for the car. And we actually cleaned this up like crazy with the ice blasting. See how clean it is now? Crazy, I'm hitting my freaking phone. Oh, and the exhaust is right there now too. Yoshimura RS5 and sway bars.